What up, you guys? Welcome back. It is Sunday, right? Today's Sunday. It's 5 o'clock. It's been quite the weekend, but we had an exciting weekend. Alyssa and her husband Kevin got to come over last night, so Richard and I had them over. Whereas today it's been just rainy and gloomy, so today it's just been like an indoor chill day while I pick at calluses. Lovely. No, it's just, I mean, that's my life. Considering I do so much with my hands, cleaning and especially opening my medication bottles, I end up getting these calluses. But it's okay. Richard and I have just been chilling. You guys can see I got a little something over there. It's cherries. One of those LED signs that are cherries. I have just been absolutely obsessed with this. So Richard went ahead and ordered it recently. But that's what it looks like, and it comes with, it's battery operated or USB powered, but it has this little switch right here. There. What I really like about that is usually when it's completely dark, you guys can tell, it's a LED light. But what I really like is when it's completely dark in my apartment, this light is very, very bright. Very, very bright. Definitely is a lot more lighter, a lot brighter than I was actually expecting. But, I mean, it's the little things in life. It makes me so happy just to have that little bit of decor. I am really hoping to get one or two more. One to add to my bedroom and another one to probably put in here, just because they do make like the perfect personalized decor pieces, and they're just really cool and just a good light source. So far I got the cherries, my LED lights that I got from Amazon. The cherries are also from Amazon. So if any of you guys are interested, it's just the LED pack. You can literally search LED lights on Amazon. But today is just your typical Sunday. I did do some cleaning, and I cleaned also yesterday because Alyssa and Kevin were coming over. So I kind of put the cleaning in all one weekend. But I mean, I did the dishes, I did some wiping down of the counters, I cleaned the coffee table because it was just looking a little bit like obviously well used. Wiped down everything and just did a mini tidy up. I do that about once a week, sometimes on a daily basis. Maybe tomorrow or something I will vacuum. We'll have to wait and see. But I mean, just took it light today, a light cleaning. I also got a window fan from Walmart yesterday because it's been pretty warm lately and I just want some fresh air in my apartment. This window fan has definitely made a difference in the temperature because heat rises. So it gets pretty hot when it's like 80 degrees. It gets pretty hot up here. I am playing around with the idea whether or not to get a window AC unit. I haven't decided yet. So for now, I'm gonna, I have this window fan, and then I have the box fan that's in my bedroom window, and it's actually been keeping it pretty cool the last day or so. It's been keeping it pretty cool. It's very, very vibrant. It literally lights this part of my living room up. Its LED lights are so bright. I have chicken wings in the oven that I just turned off the oven. They're gonna sit there. I ordered pizza from Domino's because Richard and I got gift certificates. Turn this light off, and then I also have my LED lights on. There. I'm not sure if you guys can see behind me, but that's the cherry sign. Now it's very vibrant because it's very dark, or it's just getting dark for the night. I have this also put in a frame. This picture Richard actually took outside of my building, and I really like it. Got the picture of my grandpa in a frame, and then I have the window fan, and then I'm giving you a little tour. So there's this green one, there's the orange one. Like I said, have chicken wings in here. And then I also got these from Amazon to spruce it up, these hand towels, because our previous ones are just really dingy and they leave a lot of lint. And then up here we have like another orangey one and blue. So far though, it's coming along. The house is coming along, and the next part that I'm going to be making over is my bedroom. So far, obviously I have my bed, but I'm going to be totally like getting a new furniture. Just getting some upgrades, sprucing it up a little bit. Ooh, look at the color. Look how purple it is in here. Purple is one of my favorite colors with these LED lights. So I'm actually wanting to get another strip of LED lights to go around the TV that I'm getting. I'm getting a TV upgrade as well. Lots of fun things in store. Hope you guys will stick around. Hope to take you on this adventure. If you didn't know, I have an apartment playlist. Yes. We're back from our very small outing. You guys, It's not warm in here. It's not warm in my apartment.
He's away.
Oh boy. It's so much cooler in here. It's not like how it was 85 last week. Now it's about, what would you say, like 60 outside?
Sounds about right.
About 60 degrees. And we went out this morning. And then we just got back from the bank. I had to take care of some, bruise. Where did this bruise come from?
They can put whatever they want in the front, even if it's not truly in the, like, it's not presented that way in the food. They say, hey, this is full of, there's M&M's in here, and there's two, or there's one. How much?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
was this for?
I guess they have some method of making sure that there is at least one. It was just funny. I had to take that out.
Yeah, oh my goodness, I would like.
Where? I swear, I'm always getting beaten up by. You guys see that? Yeah, this one's all eating grapes.
Hmm? What'd you say? Eating grapes? Oh, you recording? Grapes and lemonade, lemonade and grapes.
What he said. Like I said, I don't know where this bruise decided to show up. I have no idea. Could have been maybe something downstairs. I don't know. There. Cherries are on. I'm looking to getting another LED light for in here. If not, just another strand of lights like I have in my bedroom to put behind the TV because I think it would look really cool.